Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back. This is part 2, the completion of this little mini 2-part series. If you did miss part 1 from yesterday, I will put the link in the description because you're going to miss a lot if you just start today on part 2. So anyways, continuing from yesterday, I gave a lot of my reasons and the differences from my experiences and friends' experiences between packed clay and compacted crushed gravel and culverts. So today I'm going to finish this deep woods repair, and then we're going to get an after look after some heavy rains, and we're going to try it out. Sure I ain't going to fall off anywhere. Check back in. Sometimes you do what you gotta do. This is out in the woods. I'm gonna compact the back side here a little bit. Pretty well compacted. I forgot my grading stick, although I know it's out here in the field. So I back dragged it with the blade. It's just a tiny bit wet, but I'm going to put a thin layer of gravel over the top and kind of dress it up nice, and then hopefully that gravel will mix in with the clay. We'll have a little better crossing here. Okay, so normally when you build a road of any kind, you get your clay and your dirt down, you get it all nice and compacted, and then you put your gravel over the top. And the goal is for the gravel to basically form a top layer so that rain and moisture can't get through the gravel into the dirt. However, with that being said, my mission today is a little bit different. Because of cheating this culvert that's a little bit short, I'm actually hoping that I can push the gravel in and mix it down in with the top 2 or 3 inches of clay so that it holds much better in the long run. That's why I put the clay in here. So the clay is wet enough where I think this is going to work, but we're going to try it here right now and see how it's going to work, if it will. Dang, I can't believe that's on my property. Awesome. Put a ton of gravel on it because then it'll wash out again over the top edge. Put the gravel on, I just leave the dirt, but it's here, you know, he paid for it. I'm gonna use it and just see how it goes. This is kind of an experiment. I'm really curious how the edges are gonna hold the way I'm putting it together. All right, here's the after look. Might have to clean the bottom of these pipes out here on both sides, but I got it. It's a little bit softer than what I like, but I got it compacted pretty well. And if it gets some time to dry before people go crossing it, it'll be fine. I think Curtis is the only risk, and I'm going to ask him with his tractor to stay off of this for a while. A UTV ain't going to bother anything. Alright, just filling in this borrow pit, kind of grading it out, halfway decent. Clean out my mess. And then we're off to the next spot. So this is about a week and a half or so later after I fixed the pipe. We've got a lot of rain since then. We're going to check it out. And Curtis is gonna, well, he's already tested it, so I know it's holding up nicely, but let's take a look. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Looking good. Looking real good. Still a little soft, but for the quad, it's fine. I would have loved to see the water. We got water flowing still down there, but it must have really been flowing with all that rain we got the other day. Here's a look at the front half now, coming from the back of the property. I guess there is some progress, it's just very slow. And this here is the culvert that they put in earlier that I taped. They're supposed to put 2 in here. The slot wasn't wide enough, so now he's going to put another one in. He said a little higher than that one. So we'll see, and we'll see if we get rained on or not. That's it for today. Seemingly slow progress.